Are you looking to start blogging but you don't know where to start? Many bloggers have been struggling to find the best niche to start blogging, but you don't have to be one of them, because in this video I'm going to share with you my best tips on how to find perfect niche for your blog. No more wasting time and money on blogs that does not work. Your success is guaranteed with these simple steps. These are the basic and preliminary steps that every blogger should incorporate. Hello everyone, this is Mosho from the channel blogmonk, and in this video I'm talking about how to find the best and most profitable niche. The first point is that your blog topic or niche, it has to do something with your passion, something which you're passionate about. And number two is that it has to be ad sensitive. These two are interrelated, because if in order to earn money you need to have traffic to your website, and in order to have traffic in your website you need to write quality contents that attracts readers. And in order to do so, you have to be passionate about the topic. Only then you can write better content, quality content. So the first thing in order to find a niche is that you have to do a basic research. You have to see the current trend, something which your people are talking about in the online, and have a basic idea what is currently running out in the society. Next, try to see what resonates with you, something which people are also talking about and you are also interested about. So here your passion will come into play. Third, read about other authors who have written topics on those. Study them, understand them, go through Google, go through other social media channels and see what people are looking for, what people are missing. Once you've identified that, it's time for you to do research. Search about those topics, see what information people are looking for and what people are not getting. Find that gap, and once you have found those gaps, create a keyword out of those gaps. So write it down, and that's where you find your niche. That's where you find your keywords. If you want to know more about keyword research, then comment below. I will share with you my free keyword research strategy. So that's how you find your keywords, and that's how you determine a niche, a topic on which you are going to write about. But your topic or niche, it has to be ad sensitive. There are topics which are related to violence, sometimes political, sometimes sexual, which certain ad networks don't approve of. So whenever you're finding a niche, try to find a niche on which people are going to spend ads, the companies are going to spend ads, and you can earn out of it. Only then you can make it profitable. Third is that always target beginners, because you will find more beginners than you will find experienced people. Beginners are the people who will stay longer in your website because they want to learn about the topic, they're going to study more about the topic. They might click on your affiliate links because they want to buy, they want to start their journey. The fourth point is that always target large audience who are interested in your niche. Suppose you want to write an article about tempered glass on iPhone 13. Now how many people are going to buy iPhone 13? And out of that, how many are going to put tempered glass? So this will become a very small audience. Hence, it is always preferable to find a large audience, because when you have a larger audience, out of those audience, some of them will be beginners, some of them will be experienced, but you have chances of getting more beginners in a larger audience than in a smaller audience. Next, always check the Google Trends and see what topics are relevant in today's scenario. It is very important. Let me show you an example with blogging tips and YouTube tips. As you can see, blogging tips was once a search topic. Now YouTube tips has become a more search topic. Now let me type Facebook tips and see what's its status. See, Facebook tips and your YouTube tips are more or less more searched than blogging tips. So on which topic you should write article? Obviously on YouTube tips and Facebook tips, because you have larger audience over there. You can use Google Trends and select your country or worldwide, and also the time zone. So always check your niche in Google Trends and also the topic in your Google niche Trends, and see whether it is something which people are still looking for. Next is that always target audience who can spend money on your blog. Because if you are wanting to write a profitable blog, you just want to make a business out of it, then you need to have people who can spend money on them. Because just because and your audience can spend money on your website, they are not going to spend money. So next you need to find people who will definitely spend money. So as you can see, if you have larger audience, you will have more beginners. Out of all those beginners, you will have people who can spend money, and then you will find people who will spend money. And why they will spend money? Because they might click your affiliate links, they might subscribe to your email list. The next topic which you need to understand is that in order to find a profitable niche, you need to find a niche in which you can outsource the topic, because after a particular point in time, it is not possible for you to write and do everything in your website, and hence you need to find a niche which you can outsource, which people are going to write. Next, you need to find a domain name which is branded, something which people are going to basically click and not find spammy. If you want to know more about this, kindly watch this video of mine. You can find the link in the description. You will have a basic idea about how to find a perfect domain name. So these were my tips. If you want to share your tips, kindly comment below. Thank you for watching.